What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, it's probably gonna be a long video. I'm actually about to start making my way up to Maryland. I'm gonna stop in Georgia first, Atlanta, Georgia. Pick up my mom, and then we're gonna head to Maryland. I'm going to get a rental car. So I'm not gonna have the Altima. If you see my last video, you know I dropped it off to get some work done. Get some new mods and stuff. So it'd have been dope to have the car there, but I didn't really want to put so much on the wheels and stuff right now. But maybe next time I'll go up there with it. But anyway, I'm about to go pick up the rental car. I wasn't really planning on recording this, but I said why not. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what we got. Alright, so I was able to get the car. As you can see, it's the Altima. Looks like it's a base model. Tell by the hubcaps mostly. Yeah, feels pretty good so far. I'm enjoying it. I love the interior. So we got that documented. Came like that. But yeah, I'm about to jump back on this road and head to Georgia. So I don't know, I might stop, record at a gas station or something, but I don't know. We'll see. Depends on if I feel like it. Alright, making a first stop. Had to get some Bojangles. Made it to Georgia. The car is pretty cool. I'm loving the interior, like I said a little earlier. The infotainment system is definitely making me realize I gotta upgrade mine. Just using Android Auto has been so helpful, so I'm definitely gonna be doing that in the future. But these headlights are trash. Like, need to get LEDs if you're gonna have it. But other than that, yeah, it's a pretty cool ride so far. Let me go ahead and grab something to eat real quick and jump back on the road. Can't really see too much, but I made it. My grandmother's Altima, she got one now. Runs in the family, I guess. Alright. Yeah, ain't pretty much to see here. Car did pretty good. The lights were terrible in the dark. But other than that, pretty good drive. Be waking up in the morning and then head to Maryland. Might stay a little bit. I don't know. But we'll be heading to Maryland tomorrow though. So stay tuned for that. Alright, we're back. Didn't really get a good look last night, but it was my grandmother's car. But yeah, it's early. About to hit the road pretty early, because we still got 10 hours till we get to Maryland or so. So, gonna go ahead and jump on this road. I don't know if it's gonna be much recording till we get there, but if there is, hey, I'll turn the camera on, but we'll see. But yeah, appreciate y'all staying around for the journey. Okay, so I don't think I've recorded anything since we got here, and we've been here for this is our second day here, so I do apologize for not finishing that off. We made it here safely. Came here for a funeral, had the funeral today, so all that went well. Great service. So we're pretty much gonna end this video. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Stay tuned. I'm going to a car meet in about an hour, so I'm gonna link up with the homie Keon, Mr. Rockoff Johnson, and hopefully some other people. So definitely stay tuned. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.